Hello everyone, I'm Rabbe from Rabbedoes Productions, and today we're going to make an unboxing and first impressions video of the Oppo watch. It is the 46mm variant. Let's get into it. So the Oppo watch is a watch made by Oppo. It's a Chinese company. Those are in the same group of OnePlus and Xiaomi. Some of the key features of this watch is that it is a standalone LTE connection, so you can assign a digital eSIM to it. It has a curved display, it has Google Wear OS as operating system. There is a very advanced battery saving mode, and in that mode you can get up to 21 days of battery life. There is some fast charge technology to get 46% of the battery in about 15 minutes of charging. It is a 1.91 inch AMOLED display. That's a very large display for a watch, and it has 100% of the DCI P3 color gamut. That means that it is very accurate in colors. It has a 326 ppi, so pixels per inch AMOLED display. The fact that it has Wear OS means that it can tie into your Google Fit account and all the exercises that Google has to offer in the Google Fit. It can show all your notifications. You can play and pause your music with it, tie into Spotify. You can do mobile payments by NFC. You can have 24-hour heart rate monitoring. In the smart mode, or just like the smartwatch mode, it has 36 hours of battery life. It gets on 50 meter deep in the water because it is IP68 water resistant. Sleep monitoring, you can set alarms with it. You can call with the watch. Let's open it up and see what it all has to offer. First, I also want to point out I have now the Huawei Watch 2 Classic. That's a smartwatch that I've used for around, I guess, 2.5 years or something, and now it's time to upgrade. And let's see. There's something to peel off, so to open the package, so you don't need to use the knife. So let's see what's inside of the package. The first thing we see, of course, again, is the product that we bought, the watch, with a silicone strap around it. Here is also a pull tab to the side, so you can take this out easy. Here we have the charger of the watch. It is VOOC charging by Oppo, so that means fast charging for your watch, like said previously. I don't see a power brick, but that's something you probably already have laying around, or you can use the one of your smartphone. There's also an extra rubber ring included, so if you lose this one or it breaks, you can always use the second one that's in the box. Just a quick thing to note, I've noticed I have the Wi-Fi one, not the LTE one. That doesn't matter because I'm always going to have my phone around, but it's not something that I'm gonna test later on when I will make a review or something about the product. Let's take this plastic off. It's very shiny, and it looks a lot like the Apple Watch. It has a nice curved display. There is no pre-applied screen protector on the watch, but I have bought a few screen protectors because I want to keep this watch looking nice and pristine for a long time, so I think I'm gonna apply that first. Oppo VOOC charger for the Oppo watch. It will attach magnetically to the watch when you place it on there. There are these metal contact points for charging the watch. So let's see. And we get the charging indicating on the screen. We will turn the watch on, I guess, and see what happens. So it comes out the box with 44% of charging. Now we are greeted with the Oppo logo. So I will immediately set up this watch on my phone. The phone I'm going to be using for this is my S21 Ultra. So you see the Wear OS boot screen. We have already lost 1% of charge with starting up. Tap to begin, it says. I will Tap to begin. Language, English United States. Agree to the terms of use, yeah, not like I have another choice. Go to the Wear OS app, like I already said I have a watch, so I will add a new one. No, we don't want to do that. That sounds good. Agree and continue. So it immediately found the watch. We will connect to it. Pair connected. That's a very painless setup up until now. I will take off my current watch. And you can see like the watch isn't bigger as the watch that I have now, but the screen is a lot bigger because of the square display and edge-to-edge display without this fancy ring around it. I will now transfer over my Google accounts to my watch. Okay, I have to enter the password of my Google account. Okay, that was quick and easy. I see with this watch the Google Wear OS app turned into light mode or white. Let's see, but I don't think that I can change that. So, okay. Let's see what, besides the quick actions here, notification sounds, this airplane mode and so on, you have your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth indicators and your battery percentage. When you swipe this side, you have your Google Assistant. You can ask it a few preset questions and so on. On this side, you have your activities that you can start, but you can customize the cards on that side. And when you swipe down from the bottom, there are notifications. Here you can see what apps are already installed on the watch. It's a much better layout than on my other watch. When you touch and hold the display, you can change watch faces. There are a few built-in ones. Let's see if there are more. Yeah, so you can see what fits your style the most. There are not a lot of watch faces, but you can always download and install some out of the Play Store. So because this is an Oppo watch, it will tie in with the Hate app Health. I've already installed that app on my phone and created an account for it. So let's see. Add a device. We will add the watch. So I have a little bit more detail about sleep and heart rate tracking. So that's my overview of the watch. I like the design. It's much more modern. I know it also looks an awful lot like an Apple Watch, but I don't mind that because that's one of the best looking watches on the market right now. There are not too much apps included, so that's nice. No, I will use this watch a few days to a few weeks and let's see what I think about it, what my opinion is, and then I will share that with you guys. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel. I guess press the bell icon so you get notified when I upload a new video, and place a comment with some support of you and maybe things that I can improve on in the future. Let me also know what you like to see me feature in the future, and have a nice day. Goodbye.